Because you mentioned that you changed something in the way you collected email addresses last year, and then you tripled the number of leads that you were getting on a monthly basis. Do you want to share real quick with the audience what system you're using now, how you're doing it?
Sure. So for each new YouTube video, there's a specialized PDF
Yeah.
that goes for that specific video. So all my videos are lessons. So each video, there's a specific link. They can download the PDF with all of today's vocabulary, ideas, blah, blah, blah. Click on the link in the description. I say all that stuff. And a lot of people get each PDF, so
Yeah.
they wouldn't be new leads, but it does, I think that creates more engagement, definitely brings in more leads, and is ultimately more helpful to people. Um, and that's been really useful, I think, in the business. And I have a script writer who helps me kind of fill in my YouTube scripts. She also copies and pastes ish that type of information into the PDF. So I'm not really even making the PDF.
Yeah.
She'll make it, and then I touch it up and make sure that things are visually, or I don't know, everything's grammatically okay.
Yeah.
But it doesn't really add that much work to my plate.
All right.
Which that's also the goal, is not to have to add more work.